In this tutorial, we will discuss why it's important to build the right team to give your business the best possible start. Team is very important. You can have a great idea, a great technology, have found the right kind of problem, but your success is down to execution. Average teams will struggle to accomplish great things, so it's really important to build a strong team as early as possible in your business venture. Highly regarded qualities in a team, and in particular in the founding team, are competence, people with the right skills to do what you plan to do. If you're working with a particular technology, the founders should be familiar and have experience of that technology. The same for the market. You want to have somebody who is really experienced in the industry and with the customer groups you're targeting. Experience. People who have been there and done that are the ones that you're looking for. Experience in other startups and other businesses is very important, as you learn a lot from past experiences, and this helps not to repeat the same mistakes. Resourcefulness. People that get things done. People that have a track record of accomplishments and that you can rely on, as they will be committed to solve the many problems a startup can encounter. Resilience. This is down to past experiences and to the strength of the relationship between founders. Startups naturally go through many ups and downs, and a core team where members have known each other and worked with each other for years are usually more resilient. Broadly speaking, you want to have your team to cover the key areas that make any business function properly. A founding team should have no more than 3, maximum 4 people. In the founding team, you want to have at least one technical expert who knows intrinsically the technology and will lead the product development. And you want to have one business expert who can look at the financials and at the overall viability of the business. If it's missing from the founding team, you want to have an industry expert or somebody with in-depth experience in the market you're targeting. And you want to have a great salesperson, somebody who will be able to drive business development and sales. And, often overlooked, you may want to consider a user experience and a user interface designer to help you understand what customers want and to design a product that truly meets the demand. Beyond the core team, it's good to have mentors and external partners, but make sure to mention only the ones that are really engaged with your business. Mentioning big names who are not really working with you doesn't add much value. You realize that there are gaps in the team when you miss the core competencies or experience to action your plan. It is or will be apparent which gaps you need to fill in. They can be about product development, business development and sales, or understanding of the market. Usually, you realize that you have important gaps in your team because you are slow at progressing and at reaching your targets. One of the main causes for startup failure is a problem between founders. Choosing the right co-founders is one of the most critical decisions you make in your business, so don't take it lightly. Ideally, you want to work with somebody you know well and that you trust. Look for core qualities you would want to find and build in your overall team, so competence, experience, resourcefulness, and resilience. When filling the form for the competition, remember that team is really important. If you're a solo founder, do name the experts and the organization actively supporting you. If you have your team in place instead, do clearly present the core competencies and their roles, and do show any gap in the team that you would like to fill.